Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutor Point. Today we are going to discuss class 10th chapter progression topic GP of exercise 6.4 first sum second bit. What is given? Number of bricks needed to make each step if the staircase has total 30 steps, provided that bottom step needed 100 bricks and each successive steps need 2 bricks less than previous step. Okay, so how the figure will be roughly? So bottom step will be 100 steps and the next but one will be 2 more steps less than the bottom, and third one is 2 more less than previous one. So like that we need to find. So first I don't know what is given in the question. Bricks needed from the bottom step is 100. To find whether the given question comes under GP series or not. Okay, so and what is given in the question? Given that for every successive step needed 2 bricks less than the previous step. Okay, so given that bottom step is 100, that is take it as T1 guys. So A equal to 100, and for every successive step 2 bricks are less than the previous step. So you deduct 2 from the A. So 100 minus 2, 98. So similar, this is T2. So second step from the bottom. Similarly T3. T3 is the second step minus 2, because they gave for every step we need to deduct 2 bricks less than the previous step. So 98 minus 2 is 96. This comes at a third step from the bottom. Okay. So similarly you find out for 3 to 4 terms. So what we get the series? We get 100, that is given, 98, 96, 94, 92, so on. So from this what we observe? We observe that the common difference is same here. Common difference, that is we are getting 2 as a difference, isn't it? So but we are talking about GP, right? So if the common difference is same, it comes under AP but not GP. Okay, therefore the given question comes under AP guys but not GP, because the common difference is same here, 2 only for every term. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.